Today I've got this 50mm brass padlock. I like the logo on that one, cool looking lock. Not had one of these before, have seen people pick them now, and I believe it's an Avocet. That's spelt Avocet. Yeah, nice big open keyway as well, so it shouldn't be too tricky to pick. That's the bitting on the key. It's obviously got the logos on the key as well. Yeah, nice looking lock. All works as it should. It's a brand new lock. So what does it pick like? We're going to use an homemade tension tool made out of a windscreen wiper insert and that cheap Chinese pick brought off Amazon, where I just changed the plastic handle over with some ice lolly sticks. So let's see if we can get into this. Yeah, not hard to pick. Cool looking logo, but easy to pick. So that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try it a bit.